to the Tiny Tutor.
Also, you might be bored of that. Hey! My name is Mac, also known as Mackenzie, and her name is Mommy, also known as the Tiny Tutor, and also known as Megan.
Welcome to tutorial number
6, the word sort.
The word sort. When do you do the word sort? Well, if you're trying to do a lesson all at once,
Okay,
thank you, Mac, it would come after you do rereading and the word box. That's if you're going to do like a 45-minute to an hour lesson at once. Or if you're like me and Mac, right? And we do only about 10 minutes a night because we're busy people. You would do the word sort. I like to do it on a Tuesday night. So on Monday night, when the school week begins, I like to do a bingo game or a memory or concentration game with the word box. And then I like to do a word sort on Tuesday. And then a writing sort on Wednesday, which we'll get to in another tutorial. And then some writing and comprehension on a Thursday. That's when you do it. We're working on 5 different vowels today, Mac. You can do this with consonants. Beginning consonants if it's a much younger student, 4 or 5, but for Mac, who is 6 and in kinder, and she's starting to learn long vowels, I want to make sure she's really solid on her short vowels. I'm going to give Mac a card, she's going to read it, and she's going to start sorting them into categories. What's this first card?
Zach.
Ank.
Think. Think.
Think. Start a pile. Here's your next word.
Spring.
Spring. Does spring go in the same category as think?
No.
Nope, that should be in a different category. Start a new category. And we're just making lines here. What's that word?
Shell.
Shell, good. Does shell go in the same row as think, spring, or its own row?
Its own row.
Good. Here we go. What's that word?
Prong.
Prong. Prong. Great. So let's pause for a second.
Category.
Yes. Can you tell everyone what your 5 categories are? Unk. Words that end with unk. Ank.
Ank.
Words that end with ank.
Ing.
Words that end with ing.
L.
Words that end with L.
Ong.
Words that end with ong. Mac, do we have all 5 short vowels here?
Check, check.
Check, check. Now that our 5 categories are set up, since Mac is pretty good with her short vowels, I'm doing all 5 at once. You can do only 2 or 3 categories at a time. 5 is a lot. These are endings that have been tricky for Mac, so I wanted her to have
They
some...
are a bit tricky.
They have been a little bit. I
Nope.
wanted her to have some focused
Nope.
work on them.
Nope.
So, that's why I've set apart the unk, the ank, the ing, the L, and the ong. When she had trouble and needed help, I helped her. Because remember, we want our kids to feel
Absolutely
confident about learning. So it's called a prompt. Call it what you want. It doesn't matter. Just step in and help them. When she had trouble sounding something out, I gave her help. Okay, now that they've read them and sorted their words and you've corrected them and they're all in the right categories, we're going to read them. I like to read them once with her and then I give her a chance to read them once by herself.
Chunk.
Sunk, junk, stunk, trunk, skunk. Your turn. Ready? Without mommy.
Chunk. Sunk.
Good.
Chunk. Stunk.
Okay, don't move him.
Trunk. Skunk.
So after you're done all these, because we have 5 different vowel sounds here, I'll get all my short A's, all my
Hey, there's
anks.
stickers
Yeah,
back
we
here.
don't need those now right now though, Mac. I'll get all my anks together and I'll put them behind a little short A category. Ings, and I'll put them behind the little short I card. All my ongs behind the short O card. It's just a nice way to organize them. We like to be organized. How do you make these? How do you know which ones to do? So if your kid is having trouble reading the word think in a book, that should be a category. Ank should be a category. And then you just come up with a couple of rhymes. Thank, tank, sank, blank. There's a category. Maybe you just want to do words that begin with B, words that begin with C, and words that begin with F, if those are the letters they're working on. It just depends what they're working on at that time.
And always remember, if your kid does a good job, give them a snack.
Absolutely. Thanks for
And
coming
water.
to the Tiny Tutor where
Tiny steps.
have big effects. Bye-bye.